that's one thing I try to bargain with your lecture, your other lectures. The fact that this is the textbook that prescribed does not mean that everything is contemporary relevant to you. There are some key issues that you face in your organization daily. That is not covered in the book. So we'll try, and moreover, this is Ghana, and moreover, the most important thing is we're not trying to become an IT manager. We are trying to have an idea of an understanding of an appreciation of the IT environment so that you can be able to make very good sound decisions when it comes to IT investment, IT maintenance, and IT auditing. So it's better we cover a lot of things. So today we move into a little bit of application. For the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we have been trying to understand internet and business, how the internet influences business models. Today we step a little bit out of that and come into human resource management and managing talent and knowledge in organizations. So still it's centered on IT, but we're asking why. When we began the studies, one thing that we mentioned was the fact that the information system was about collecting and storing, processing information so that you can get an output that will get into a decision and action. Then there's a feedback that starts the whole process. So one key aspect of it was information. You cannot talk about information without talking about knowledge. Neither can you talk about information without talking about data. So I remember I introduced you to the concept of data and information. The data was what? Raw facts. And information was processed data. Today we take a little bit a step above information, we look into knowledge, and maybe step a little bit into wisdom. Because these are key technologies that will influence you as a manager, whether you are an IT manager or not. So our objective today is to try to understand what is knowledge. Where is knowledge in organizations? How do organizations learn? And the different perspectives of knowledge management in organizations. You may realize that our class website has not been updated on the videos for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, I'm trying to process it. Someone came to me after the class telling me that they also wanted something in the class. So I tried to twist it a little bit so that I can have a measure book. So I'm trying to just process it and I'll put it there hopefully by the end of the week, including this one. So what is knowledge? If we have been discussing the fact that beyond land, labor, and capital, today there is a fourth factor of production that may be stemming from information. And we call that fourth factor of production as knowledge. Knowledge has become increasingly prominent and is gaining much emphasis. Make it bigger. Is it okay? Is it alright? It's okay. It's okay. Is it okay? He said it's alright. Is it alright? He said it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's there.
So, yes. It's there.
No, it's there.
It's dark.
It's better.
It's better. Okay. I beg your criticism.
Please not preach. Please.
General knowledge is important, and the argument that exists is that making what is critical to organizations is making sense out of it. The ability to change knowledge, the ability to learn. So it's not just about knowledge, but knowledge is beyond knowledge. You need to be able to create knowledge and change the knowledge and maybe add on to the knowledge. So knowledge is not just important, you also have one other variable that's important known as learning. So we'll look into both of them. What is the first thing to say is, and for us to explore is what is knowledge? What is knowledge? What is knowledge? There are various taxonomies and the way people define it. Quite everybody will have a different definition of what knowledge is. But knowledge can be seen as starting from information. Someone says that the information itself is data in information. Data that is information. So information is data information. You get it? Data that is being formed. Data information. Information, data is information. That is being sorted